Apple is quietly preparing the biggest shift in personal technology since the iPhone, and most people have no idea what's coming in the next few years. You may never take your phone out of your pocket again. No screen, no tapping, no scrolling, just your eyes, your voice, and a pair of glasses, because Apple is secretly building something that could replace the smartphone forever. Not a headset, not a bulky VR device, but something that looks like normal glasses, yet thinks like a supercomputer. Today, we are talking about the future device everyone is whispering about, the product that could change Apple forever, the product that could change your life forever. Welcome to the world of Apple AI glasses. Apple AI glasses are rumored lightweight smart glasses, powered by Apple's next generation artificial intelligence, designed to work with your iPhone, your Mac, your Apple Watch, and your entire digital life. These are not like the big AR headsets you've seen before. These are meant to look normal, feel normal, but give you superpowers. The idea is simple but powerful. Instead of staring at a phone, information will appear directly in front of your eyes. Instead of typing, you will speak. Instead of tapping, you will just look. Apple wants technology to disappear while becoming more powerful than ever. Smartphones have reached their limit. Every year, phones get faster, but not more exciting. Screens get brighter, but not more magical. Apple knows the next big revolution is not in your hand. It is on your face, just like the iPhone replaced the iPod, and the Apple Watch replaced the need to check your phone. Apple AI glasses are being designed to replace the phone itself. Tim Cook has already said that. Apple believes in a future where digital content blends with the real world. This is Apple's biggest bet since the iPhone. How these glasses will work. The glasses will not be powerful on their own. They will connect wirelessly to your iPhone or future Apple devices. Your phone becomes the brain. The glasses become your eyes. You will see floating messages, navigation arrows, translations, reminders, weather, and even live directions. You won't pull out your phone. You won't unlock anything. You will simply look. And no AI brain, the future Siri. The heart of Apple AI glasses is Apple's new AI system. Not the old Siri, not the slow assistant you know. This will be a completely new AI. It will understand what you see. It will understand what you say. It will understand what you need. Before you ask, you can say, "Who is this person? Translate this sign. Remind me when I come back here. Find the nearest cafe. Summarize this message." And the glasses will instantly respond. No typing, no apps, no waiting, just intelligence. In real time, live translation. Imagine traveling to another country, someone speaks, you hear their voice, and instantly, the translation appears in your vision. No phone, no pause, just natural conversation. And it doesn't stop with words. The glasses will translate menus, street signs, documents, even handwritten notes. A foreign city will feel like your own. Every language barrier will disappear. The world will finally feel connected, not divided. This is not just convenience. This is power. When you walk outside, arrows will appear in front of your eyes. Turn left, turn right, avoid traffic, reach faster. No maps, no phone, no stopping. You will move through the real world like you are inside a video game. The streets will guide you. The buildings will speak to you. Your destination will always be in sight. Apple is turning the world itself into an interface, memory that never forgets. The glasses will remember everything you see, where you parked, where you met someone, where you saw something important. You can simply say, "Show me where I last saw this," and the moment will replay in front of your eyes. Your life becomes searchable. Your memory becomes perfect. Health and safety guardian. The glasses will track your posture, your walking style, your stress level. They will warn you when you are tired. They will alert you when danger is near. They will guide you when you feel lost. In emergencies, they can call for help, share your location, show responders what you see. They are not just smart, they are protective. Private mode, your digital shield. Apple knows privacy is everything. The glasses will use on-device processing. Your data stays yours. No ads in your vision. No spying eyes. You control when the world sees you. You control when you disappear. Technology finally respects your space. Design invisible tech. These glasses will not screen technology. They will look like normal eyewear. Lightweight, stylish, minimal, no bulky batteries, no giant lenses, no strange designs. People will not even realize you are wearing the future. The end of the smartphone era. One day, you will leave home without your phone. Not because you forgot it, but because you no longer need it. Your messages, your calls, your navigation, your payments, your memories, everything will live in front of your eyes. The smartphone will become history. Apple's biggest risk and biggest win. This is Apple's boldest move ever. If it works, Apple changes the world again. If it fails, everything is at risk. But revolutions are never safe. They are never comfortable. They are never small. They change everything. Apple is not rushing these glasses. They know this product must be perfect. Leaks from inside Apple's supply chain suggest that the first version of Apple AI glasses could be revealed between 2027 and 2028. This timeline matches Apple's long-term vision. They want the technology to feel invisible. They want the AI to feel natural. They want the design to feel normal. Before the world ever sees them, Apple is testing quietly. Prototypes, mini displays, custom chips, ultra-efficient batteries. When Apple finally steps on stage and reveals them, it will not feel like a product launch. It will feel like a new era beginning. Price, the cost of the future. This is not a cheap device. This is not a toy. This is the next platform. Early reports suggest the starting price could be between $999 and $1,499. Not everyone will buy them on day one, but neither did everyone buy the first iPhone. Over time, the price will fall, and the technology will spread. At first, only a few will wear the future. Then, everyone will. The screen era is ending. The glasses era is beginning. The future is not in your hand. It is on your face. Welcome to the age of Apple AI glasses.